today's first warning weather.
Rain is on the radar. We need to get right to it. We are dealing with significant weather advisories already taking place across the South Plains. Here's what's happening on the exclusive KLBK digital Doppler radar. We just got in. We're looking at Briscoe, Cottle, Dickens, Floyd, Hall, Motley, Swisher, as well as King County. Again, that is Swisher, Motley, King, Hall, Floyd, Dickens, Cottle, Briscoe counties. All of you guys are under a significant weather advisory until 7 a.m. That's hot off the press, and reason being, well, you got some hail within your thunderstorm. This is our hail core, and we've been keeping a close eye on it. If you were watching us just at the top of the show, you noticed we had a little bit of red in there. Well, that is no longer on our hail core showing up, meaning it has already hit the surface. So we are getting some reports of small pieces of hail. Obviously, it is not enough to become severe. However, it is significant, and this hail core continues to rebuild. I know to a lot of people that looks just like a bunch of colors, but trust me, you want to make sure and keep an eye on the sky with this particular storm. It is continuing to push over into Guthrie as well as into Paducah, trying to push out of the east of Matador as it has a lot of lightning associated with this storm. So cloud to ground lightning, heavy rainfall. We're even dealing with potential flooding in some localized areas, along with quite a bit of hail falling with this particular storm. It does have a northeasterly flow, but we are seeing a few of those isolated showers still stringing down towards the south. We'll continue to keep a very close eye not only on the storm just off towards the north and east, but the other ones beginning to develop along the Texas-New Mexico state line. These are going to continue to try and push their way off towards the east as we head into the next little bit. And even though you may not be dealing with rainfall right now, that doesn't mean you're in the clear in the next several hours, nor does it mean you're clear from seeing high wind speeds. Check this out. Do you see this large green, the darker green trying to push down towards the south and east in the hub city as well as in the health center and Plainview? This is going to be a large wind gust coming in just the next little bit. So be prepared. You may want to bring some things inside. We will get some winds close around 40 to even 45 miles per hour at times. But all of these thunderstorms, we've got intense lightning. So when you hear that thunder roar, go immediately indoors. We want to make sure all of you continue to stay safe. But one thing's for sure, this rain is a blessing. We desperately need it, not only across the South Plains because we are dealing with a drought, but our temperatures are so incredibly hot. And we're looking to see another blessing not only tonight, but going further into Saturday and possibly into Sunday. We've got so much monsoonal flow coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. It's taking all of that moisture. It's taken a ways to get here, but really seeing a lot of it over in New Mexico, such as in Albuquerque, over into Clovis, and then trying to push into the South Plains. So we're going to keep an eye on the potential to see some more rainfall over the next several days. But temperatures still a little spicy out there. We're talking about 98 degrees in Midland as well as in the hub. Amarillo, we're coming in at 67 degrees, but this is pretty cool. Areas that have already dealt with rainfall, their numbers have fallen dramatically. We're coming in right now 83 degrees in Dora, Clovis at 84, and then you hop over to Friona at 75. Levelland as well as into Brownfield, we haven't seen that rainfall yet, so we're still in the mid-90s. Off towards the east, numbers were past the triple-digit mark, so 92 seems a little hot, but you know what? It's cooler than what it was earlier on. So dramatic cooling is already taking place thanks to that rain-cooled air taking shape. Now, as far as these showers sticking around with us for a while, well, the ones up to the north and eastern zones that are under a significant weather advisory, we're anticipating these to push up to the northeast over the next several hours. So they'll be out of our viewing area, but the clouds are going to linger with us on into the overnight hours. And we're actually looking to see another shot of rainfall tomorrow. I know we've got a lot going on. We've got barbecues going on outside. We've got a lot of competitions and whatnot. So make sure you do download the KLBK weather app. If you're going to be outside, it will alert you if severe weather is in your area or if there is significant weather that you need to be aware of, because we are looking to see another day of those isolated showers and thunderstorms beginning to pop up around 3, 4, 5 o'clock and then continue to stick around with us. So we could be dealing with some small pieces of hail tomorrow along with quite a bit of lightning. So download the app. Go ahead and give you a heads up. It's a good thing to do. We want to keep you safe. And when it comes to that rainfall, well, we're sticking around on into Sunday. Another shot of rain is headed your way, and that's something very nice to see. Sunday's looking to be a little bit more isolated, especially up towards the southern portion, but to the north we could be dealing with more of a widespread in the way of rainfall. And then we have a cold front coming through Monday, giving us another shot of rain. So rain is in the forecast, and it's a great thing, especially with temperatures being so warm. Tomorrow afternoon we're looking to get all the way up to 97 degrees, but we will be dealing with a nice chance of seeing those isolated showers. And then we head on into Sunday, 95 for the high. Another shot of rainfall. Monday is looking pretty nice, especially with that cold front coming through. More of a widespread rain event. event headed in our direction. Temperatures will get right around average, which is 93 degrees for this time of year, but we will warm right back up headed into Friday. But Evan, right now we are still keeping an eye on the radar. Again, we do want to give you guys a heads up. We do have a significant weather advisory still in effect for Briscoe, Cottle, Dickens, Floyd, Hall, and King County, along with Swisher, Motley. This goes until 7 p.m. Reason being, we do have some smaller pieces of hail. They're not large. That's why they wouldn't be a severe thunderstorm warning yet, but it's a little bit of concern. So remember, when thunder roars, go indoors.
And here in Lubbock County, as you said, that big line of wind
right
is coming right for us
right
right
now.
now.
Headed, and then you've got another boundary just off towards the east. Those are going to collide, and we're really going to be dealing with quite a bit of, bad hair day.
Yeah, and we thought we were just going to be going gently into the weekend. Not necessarily.
You must not listen last night.
I was. I always do.